Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to write an essay about the importance of education, but this time we are targeting high school students, so the explanation will be slightly more advanced, but still clear and easy to follow. In this lesson, I will guide you step by step, paragraph by paragraph, and sentence by sentence. I will explain what to write, why it is important, and right after each paragraph, I will give you ideas on how to elaborate so you can develop your essay and not just copy the sample. Let's get started. Introduction. Present the topic and its importance. Here is the introduction paragraph. Education plays a vital role in shaping individuals and societies. It is not only a means of gaining knowledge, but also a powerful tool that helps people develop critical thinking, build character, and achieve success in life. In today's rapidly changing world, education has become more important than ever before. Now let's break this down. The first sentence introduces the topic in a strong and formal way. Instead of saying education is important, it says education plays a vital role, which sounds more advanced and suitable for high school level. The second sentence expands the idea by explaining that education is not just about knowledge, but also about critical thinking, character, and success. This is important because high school essays should show deeper understanding. The third sentence connects the topic to the modern world. This makes your essay more relevant and meaningful. Now, how can you elaborate this paragraph? You can add a sentence about your personal view, such as why education matters to you. You can also give a brief example, like how education helps people adapt to technology or global changes. Another way is to mention how education affects your future goals. This helps make your introduction more engaging and not too general. Body paragraph 1. Knowledge and skills. Here is the second paragraph. One of the main reasons education is important is that it provides knowledge and skills. Through subjects such as mathematics, science, and language, students learn how to understand the world around them. Education also helps individuals develop problem-solving abilities and logical thinking, which are essential in everyday life. Without education, it would be difficult for people to make informed decisions or adapt to new challenges. Let's understand this. The first sentence clearly introduces the main idea: knowledge and skills. The second sentence gives examples of subjects. This is important because it makes your writing specific, not vague. The third sentence explains the benefits, such as problem-solving and logical thinking. This shows deeper thinking. The last sentence explains the consequence of not having education. This strengthens your argument. Now, how can you elaborate this part? You can add more examples of skills, such as communication or digital literacy. You can include a real-life example, like how math helps in budgeting or science helps in understanding health. You can also briefly mention how these skills are useful in daily life or future careers. These additions will make your paragraph more detailed and convincing. Body paragraph 2. Personal development. Now let's read the third paragraph. In addition to knowledge, education plays a key role in personal development. It teaches values such as discipline, responsibility, and perseverance. Students learn how to manage their time, work toward goals, and overcome difficulties. Education also builds confidence, allowing individuals to express their ideas clearly and interact effectively with others. These qualities are important not only in school, but also in future careers and social life. Let's break it down. The first sentence introduces a new idea: personal development. The second sentence lists important values. Listing is a good technique to make your writing clear. The third sentence explains practical skills like time management and goal setting. The fourth sentence talks about confidence and communication, which are very important in real life. The last sentence connects everything to the future. Now, how can you elaborate this paragraph? You can give a short personal example, like how school helped you become more responsible. You can explain one value in more detail, such as how perseverance helps during exams. You can also mention activities like group work, presentations, or extracurriculars that build these skills. This makes your paragraph more relatable and realistic. Body paragraph 3. Career opportunities. Here is the next paragraph. Another important aspect of education is its impact on career opportunities. A good education opens the door to better jobs and higher income. In a competitive world, employers look for individuals who are skilled, knowledgeable, and capable of learning new things. Education provides the foundation needed to pursue different professions and achieve long-term success. Let's understand this. The first sentence introduces the idea of careers. The second sentence clearly explains the benefit, better jobs and higher income. The third sentence adds a real-world perspective by mentioning competition and employer expectations. The last sentence explains how education supports long-term success. Now, how can you elaborate this part? You can give examples of professions like doctors, engineers, or teachers. You can explain how education helps you choose a career path. You can also mention higher education, such as college or university. These ideas will make your paragraph more specific and practical. Body paragraph 4. Impact on society. Now let's read the next paragraph. Moreover, education contributes to the development of society. An educated population is more aware of social issues, such as poverty, health, and environmental problems. Educated individuals are more likely to participate in community activities, respect diversity, and promote peace and equality. In this way, education helps create a more responsible and progressive society. Let's break this down. The first sentence introduces the idea of society. The second sentence explains awareness of social issues. The third sentence shows positive actions, like participation and respect. The last sentence summarizes the overall impact. Now, how can you elaborate this paragraph? You can give examples of social issues, like climate change or public health. You can explain how education encourages volunteering or helping others. You can also mention how education promotes tolerance and understanding between cultures. This makes your essay more thoughtful and globally aware. Body paragraph 5. Creativity and independent thinking. Now let's read the next paragraph. However, education is not only about academic success, it also encourages creativity and independent thinking. Students are given opportunities to explore their interests, ask questions, and develop new ideas. This ability to think creatively is essential for innovation and progress in the modern world. Let's understand this. The first sentence introduces a different perspective. The second sentence highlights creativity and independence. The third sentence explains how students develop these skills. The last sentence connects creativity to innovation and progress. Now, how can you elaborate this part? You can mention examples like art, projects, or problem-solving activities. You can explain how asking questions helps learning. You can also connect creativity to real-world innovations like technology or inventions. This helps your essay sound more modern and insightful. Conclusion. Summarize and give final thought. Now let's read the conclusion. In conclusion, education is one of the most important factors in personal and social development. It provides knowledge, shapes character, and creates opportunities for a better future. Without education, both individuals and society would struggle to grow and succeed. Therefore, it is essential for everyone to value education and make the most of the opportunities it offers. Let's break it down. The first sentence restates the main idea. The second sentence summarizes the key points. The third sentence explains the consequence of lacking education. The last sentence gives a strong final message. Now, how can you elaborate your conclusion? You can add a personal statement, like how you plan to use education in your life. You can include a short motivational sentence encouraging others to study seriously. You can also end with a hopeful message about the future. This makes your conclusion more powerful and memorable. So that's how you write a high school essay about the importance of education, step by step, with clear structure and strong ideas in every paragraph. Remember, don't just copy the sample. Use it as a guide, then add your own examples, opinions, and experiences. That is how you create a high-quality essay. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with the next topic you want to learn. Thank you so much for watching writing tutorials, and see you in the next lesson.